So guys, welcome back to another Waka Waka YouTube video. Today, we're gonna use the glow in the dark science box, and it says 3 full of fun experiences. So, you can make a glowing crystal, glowing slime, and a glowing animal. I've already made the glowing crystal in the back here. Made that off camera, so I'll show you that after. You can just see it up over there. So yeah, and I've already measured 66 milliliters of water. I've poured the glowing slime powder in, if you can see in this bag here, in this cup. So now I'm ready to make it. So now it says, pour about 66 milliliters water in it. If you haven't poured a whole bag of slime powder, please remember to keep relaxed water in the powder. So now it says to pour this into this, I think. What does it say? Okay, use the middle. Guys, I'll see you back in a minute. Guys, I'm back now. So I have to pour, so I'll make sure I have to pour this into here. You ready? So guys, we've done it a bit wrong. You might have to keep the thingy, probably, the powder in that. But we didn't do it like that. So, and then it says, like that, yeah. It says, use the mother to mix, the mother, so this thing, whatever it's called, to mix things up. Keep stirring until you get a nice and slimy glob. It usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. So then, since that will take a while, I'll come back when it's finished. So see ya. Guys, it looks pretty gooey to me. But my timer's going on for Alexa. How long's left on the timer?
You have 12 minutes left and you're 20 minutes long.
Yeah, so I have like 12 minutes. But do you think this is good enough? Yeah. Pretty hard to stir now, and look at that. Oh. So yeah, I'm just going to tell the Alexa to cancel the timer. Alexa, can you cancel the timer, please?
20-minute timer cancelled.
Yeah. So next step it says, after that, put the googly eyes, these, on it and disguise sign with a UV pen for a while, then put it in the dark. We'll see it glow. Let me open this up then. I'm looking for what how that is. Ah, here. So, where's the other googly eye? Okay. I'm just going to tell my dad something. So guys, I just checked with my dad. Yep, I've put the googly eyes on it. It looks pretty cool. It feels so slimy. Ooh. So yeah. Now, over here, this is the crystal. Let me put the flashlight on it. You can see it from this. See it from this side. That looks really cool. So yeah, if you want the set, this is it. And I'll show you, this is what you can make, right? This. So you can use glow signs, glow in the dark, like that. Then, this is for the crystal. If you want to, just screenshot that, and I'll show you how to make the crystals. If you want to make your own glowing slime, or make your own glowing animal. You can screenshot that too. And that's it. That's all you can make in it. So, hope you like that. Hope you like that. Drop in the comments what we should call him. And the top comment will be it. See ya.